Once upon a time, in the jungle where the monkey swung with glee, in search of bananas on a tall, green tree. A sweet banana scent filled the air so nice. He moved with joy, ignoring the tree's advice. As the monkey rushed with excitement amid, the tree was broken, a secret it hid. But when he swung, the tree fell with a crash. Upon the poor monkey, a sudden, painful clash. He tried to move it, but it wouldn't budge an inch. His situation was dire, a true survival pinch. He called for help in a voice so high, hoping someone would hear his desperate cry. An elephant named Chunky, he heard the voice of the monkey from afar. In curiosity, he ran, following the star. The sun was hidden, and the shadow loomed large. As the elephant leaned down, with a demeanor so unique, "Don't hurt me," cried the monkey, his voice so meek. But to the monkey's surprise, Chunky lifted the tree like it weighed naught but a pea.
Woohoo!
Monkey said, "Thank you so much, I'm finally free." But these happy new friends didn't know what they'd just done. The tree they tossed hit another, a tree with a beehive spun. The bee tree shook, and bees came out, buzzing and swirling all about. Thousands of bees fill the sky's vast dome, buzzing loud, a thunderous skyward poem. Chunky heard the buzz, his ears rang. "Run," he cried, as he dashed, fear's thunderous clang. The monkey, quite surprised, turned to see the scene. Thousands of bees coming fast, their fury quite keen. Jumpy swung and Flo took to the air. Away from the bees, they had to prepare. Chunky exclaimed, "We need to find a place to hide." The monkey replied, "I know of a place," with pride. They found a secret house in the mountain's embrace. Quickly, they rushed inside, making haste. Chunky jumped and got struck at the door. Flo gave a bump. Oh, what a sight. With a sway and a spin, he went inside. Flo closed the door so tight. Altogether, they laughed, and it felt just right. In their mountain hideaway, all snug and sound, they found safety and joy all around.